Okay, this video is about my multi-booting guide number 47, how to Heptatetraconta Boot GeckoLinux Cinnamon with Windows 10. I found a bug with Debian and Debian-based distros. The installer, when I want to install to the number 50 partition here. I'm going to create the number 50 partition, and somehow it crashed. It cannot do the installation. I tried Debian, Devuan, other this based on Debian. So I want to see now with this openSUSE based GNOME/Linux. I want to see if we're going to have the same problem. So anyway, I'm going to use the Calamar installer. So this video here is going to be a how-to video, how to install, or to show that there is a bug on the openSUSE too. So let's figure that out there. So I'm going to select the language. I'm going to click next. So always going to be manual partitioning. Next, on SDA here, that's the EFI partition. Double click, /boot/EFI here. Click OK. On swap partition, double click. Just click OK here. And then partition number 50, that's what we're going to create now. On the free space, double click, and there's going to be, you can use this if you want. I'm going to use 10 to 40, that's 10 gigabyte. ext4, select the mount point here, that should be like this. So it's going to be 10 gigabyte partition ext4 with the with the mount point here. Click OK. As you can see here is a new partition, ext4, mount point 10 gigabyte. I'm going to click next. I'm going to create my username and password here. So I'm going to pause the video. So as you can see, I will have partition number 50 here. That's where GeckoLinux static is going to be installed. So now what I have to do here, I'm going to set up the boot ex /boot /efi file system ext4, and I have to click install now. Install now. So I'm going to pause the video. I will record the installation with the video, with the audio on, but so I don't want the install to crash. So anyway, if it crash is because of the number 50 partition here. So I'm just I'm gonna record without sound. I'm gonna pause, and because I know this is gonna take some time and I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm gonna pause the video, and when it's finished or almost finished, I will start the video again. Okay, as you can see, GeckoLinux static 15.0 has been installed on your computer. So my next video is going to be I'm going to boot the computer. The installation should take a little longer. It didn't take the long that I expected. I might have to run sudo update grub. I have to boot to see. But anyway, the next video is going to be, if everything goes well with the installation, I will do a multi-boot number 48, how to Heptatetraconta Boot GeckoLinux with the made desktop environment. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. Se você gostou, dá um like, inscreva-se, compartilhe nas redes sociais. Até o próximo vídeo.